Hi, I'm Mrs. Clazy, Head of Art at CLV, and in this short presentation I'll try to give you an insight and overview of GCSE Art and explain what the course has to offer and how choosing art might be of use to you in the future. The specification that we offer is AQA Art and Design with Fine Art as the endorsement and is a full 2-year course. So if you're thinking about choosing Art GCSE, one of the most important things is that you enjoy creating artwork. And this could be drawing, painting, mixed media, sculpture, or digital art. You don't need any specialist equipment for the course, as this will all be provided you by the school. And you should also be able to work independently and enjoy expressing your own views through your artwork. This is a basic overview of the course, and 60% is coursework based and is completed in lessons. And for this part of the course, we do a series of 3 small skills-based projects, followed by a major project in Year 11. The other 40% of the course is a practical art exam, and you'll see some examples of this in later slides. So the first year of the course in Year 10 is all about building up skills in art and learning about different techniques and media. These images here are all examples from a Year 10 drawing-based skills project exploring the theme of tools. And in this project, students learn how to record from observation and draw using pencil, charcoal, chalk, oil pastel and ink on different scales and sizes and surfaces. And these are from a landscape project where you'll learn some exciting new printmaking techniques such as monoprinting, dry point and lino. And we also explore the theme of the seaside in a drawing, painting and mixed media based project. For your major project, you can choose your own theme, and these images here are from a coursework project inspired by the theme of war and show a small selection of work containing research, experimental drawings and paintings, and also a final piece. And you'll have the chance to complete your major project in either a large sketchbook or on A2 sheets such as these. And this project here is completed in response to the theme of plastics, the issue of pollution and the impact on our environment. And this project was all inspired by the theme of space and the 50th anniversary of the moon landings. And this was all completed in a black card A4 sketchbook. So there is no written exam in art, but instead what you do is a final 12-week practical project in lessons, and you choose this from themes set by the exam board, and you will then have 10 hours, which is 2 days worth of art lessons, at the end of this to create a final piece, which you will have planned before this time. And these images from a sketchbook shows an exam project based on the theme of my surroundings. And you can see that the final pieces for this were drawn with fine liner on top of old maps from the northeast. And if you enjoy painting, this is a project is a great example as it was inspired by the theme of the elements and looking at weather. And the final piece for this project was actually painted on a real umbrella. So GCSE Art has 4 assessment objectives, which are all worth the same amount of marks, and you are assessed on your research, the quality of your artwork, your ability to experiment with different techniques and media, and also your ideas and final pieces. You'll also be required to complete some writing in art, and these are some examples. This includes creating mind maps, completing research on the work of other artists, and also evaluating your own work. In many careers, those who are most successful can think creatively and innovatively, and these are skills that employers really value. When you study GCSE Art, you learn to work both independently and collaboratively, and become effective at time management. And careers in the creative industries are most definitely on the rise, and studying the arts can also help with personal well-being and improve health and happiness. And by having the ability to self-express, you can build confidence as well as a sense of individual identity. And recent research has also shown that arts jobs are less likely than many other career fields to be automated or taken over by a robot in the next 20 years. And these are just a few of the many, many creative careers for which art would be useful. So I hope you've enjoyed this insight into our GCSE Art course, and if you'd like to find out more, please take a look at the resources on the options site or Gmail us and we'll try and answer some of your questions. You can also take a look at our CLV Art Department website and our social media accounts on Twitter and Instagram to see more examples of the brilliant work from our students.